Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and Facetime issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that the SIM card is properly inserted in your iPhone. So guys, make it sure that the SIM card is properly inserted in your iPhone, and after this you have to simply make it sure that if you're using eSIM and it is working properly on your iPhone as well. So guys, confirm it and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings and go to general, go to about, scroll it below and check if there are any career updates available for you, then update it. And after this, go to software update and update your software to the latest version as well. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back and go to apps, and from here go to FaceTime, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle for FaceTime on your device for one time from here. And after this, go back and scroll it below and go to messages, and from here scroll it below and turn on the toggle for iMessage from here as well. So guys, simply turn it on, and after this you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.